Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for the best 4K drone on Amazon in 2026, you've come to the right place. Whether you're a beginner, travel creator, filmmaker, or professional aerial photographer, today's drones offer incredible camera quality, intelligent flight modes, obstacle avoidance, and longer flight times than ever before. In today's video, we're counting down the top 5 best 4K drones on Amazon in 2026. We've selected these drones based on camera performance, flight features, battery life, and overall value. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Now, let's get started. Number 1. DJI Mavic 4 Pro 512GB Creator Combo. Taking the number 1 spot is the DJI Mavic 4 Pro Creator Combo, one of the most advanced consumer drones available today. Built for professional creators, it features an incredible 100-megapixel Hasselblad 4/3 CMOS camera, along with a versatile tri-camera system that delivers stunning photos and cinematic video. The drone offers up to 51 minutes of flight time, giving you more time in the air for capturing breathtaking landscapes and creative shots. This creator combo includes 3 intelligent flight batteries, a charging hub, a powerful 240-watt charger, and the premium DJI RC Pro 2 controller with a bright built-in display. Advanced obstacle sensing, intelligent flight modes, and DJI's legendary stabilization make every flight smooth and confident. Pros: 100-megapixel Hasselblad 4/3 CMOS camera. Advanced tri-camera system. Up to 51 minutes of flight time. DJI RC Pro 2 smart controller. 3 intelligent batteries included. Professional image quality. Outstanding flight stability. Number 2. G11 Pro 6K drone with camera. The G11 Pro is an excellent option for pilots looking for premium features at a more affordable price. It records smooth 4K video at 30 frames per second and includes a 3-axis brushless gimbal for stable footage even during windy flights. With 2 batteries providing up to 70 minutes of combined flight time and an impressive transmission range of up to 10,000 feet, this drone is perfect for travel, outdoor adventures, and aerial photography. Automatic return to home and FAA compliance add extra confidence and safety during every flight. Pros: stable 4K video recording, 3-axis brushless gimbal, up to 70 minutes flight time, long 10,000-foot transmission range, automatic return to home, FAA compliant, great value for creators. Number 3. Autel Robotics Evo Lite 640T Enterprise Bundle. The Autel Evo Lite 640T Enterprise is designed for professional inspection, emergency response, and commercial operations. It combines a high-resolution thermal camera with a powerful 48-megapixel visible camera capable of capturing detailed thermal and visual data simultaneously. AI target recognition, up to 16x digital zoom, and a transmission range of up to 12 kilometers make this drone ideal for industrial inspections, search and rescue, and public safety applications. With up to 40 minutes of flight time, it delivers dependable performance for demanding professional missions. Pros: thermal and visible dual camera system, 48-megapixel imaging, AI target recognition, up to 12 km transmission, 40-minute maximum flight time, professional enterprise features, excellent inspection capabilities. Number 4. Autel Robotics Evo 2 Dual 640T V3. The Autel Evo 2 Dual 640T V3 is built for advanced commercial users who require exceptional thermal imaging performance. It combines a 640 by 512 thermal sensor with a powerful 50-megapixel RYYB camera capable of capturing ultra-detailed images. Designed for search and rescue, infrastructure inspection, firefighting, and public safety, this drone offers multiple thermal color palettes, intelligent flight capabilities, and a transmission distance of up to 15 kilometers. Its rugged design and professional-grade imaging make it one of the best thermal drones available. Pros: high-resolution thermal imaging, 50-megapixel RYYB camera, 8K image capability, up to 15 km transmission, multiple thermal color modes,
ideal for professional operations, reliable 40-minute flight time. Number 5. SKYROVER X1 Drone Combo. The SKYROVER X1 delivers an impressive combination of portability and advanced features for everyday creators. Weighing under 249 grams, it avoids many registration requirements while remaining easy to carry anywhere. It captures 4K video at 60 frames per second and 8K photos, while intelligent 360-degree obstacle avoidance helps keep every flight safe. AI night shot improves low-light performance, and vertical shooting makes creating content for social media platforms quick and easy. With 3 batteries providing up to 96 minutes of combined flight time, it's an excellent travel companion. Pros: lightweight under 249 grams, 4K 60 FPS video recording, 8K photo capture, 360-degree obstacle avoidance, AI night shot, up to 96 minutes combined flight time, vertical shooting for social media. That wraps up our list of the top 5 best 4K drones on Amazon in 2026. If you're looking for the ultimate aerial camera drone, the DJI Mavic 4 Pro Creator Combo is our top recommendation, thanks to its flagship camera system, incredible image quality, and professional flight performance. For outstanding value, the G11 Pro offers premium features at an affordable price. Professionals needing thermal imaging should consider the Autel Evo Lite 640T or Evo 2 Dual 640T V3, while the SKYROVER X1 is a fantastic lightweight option for travel and content creation. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more product reviews and buying guides. See you in the next one.